Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain the most important topic, the formation of image by convex lens, part 2 in subject physics for class 10. As we know that how is image is formed? Image is formed in lens due to intersection of refracted ray, and convex lens forms both types of image, real image and virtual image. Real image, as we know, it is always inverted, which can be obtained on the screen, and virtual image is that which is always erect, that cannot be obtained on the screen. So, and in convex lens there are various cases to which we can observe the formation of image. The nature and size of the image formed by the convex lens depends upon the position of the object kept in front of your lens. If, as we observe that, if object moves towards the lens, image moves away from the lens other side. Case 1 we can discuss today here. When object is kept at infinity, then its image is formed at focus after the refraction. So AB is the object which is kept at infinity, whose image is formed at F2. Here there are two incident rays parallel to principal axis. Principal axis is that which passes the midpoint of the optical center of the lens. Then after the refraction it converges at F2, where point size image is formed. Which is also real and inverted. Okay, students. Next case 2, when object is kept beyond 2f1. When object is kept beyond 2f1, then its image is formed. Between f2 and 2f2 on the other side, as we see here by the diagram. AB is object which is kept beyond 2f1. One parallel ray of light, incident ray, parallel to principal axis, after the refraction passes through the focus. Rule number 1 is applied here also, and next ray of light, incident ray, passes through the optical center. It moves straight without any deviation, and after refraction both refracted ray intersect here, and at that point between f2 and 2f2 image is formed. The size of image is smaller than size of the object. Nature of the image is real, inverted and smaller. Magnification is not here. Smaller magnification, image is not magnified, image is diminished. Hi less than H2. The third important case is that when object is kept at 2f1 here, 2f1, the image is formed at F2 on the other side. Sorry, F2 not, F2 is here focal length and focus point, and here image is formed. See in case 3. So see here, there is one lens, convex lens. Just try to draw clear diagram, and keep here object AB. Then after refraction it passes through focus F1. Second, here 2F1, here F2, you can take other, and F1 is here. At that point, next ray diagram, incident ray passes through the C. After the refraction, it forms at here 2F2 on the other side. 2F2 on the other side. Size of the object and size of the image is equal. Will be not more than, not same, not different, but equal. So SI is equal to HO. Okay. Again, it is, you have to show the ray diagram with arrow also. This is the most important part of the ray diagram. This is A, B, and A dash, B dash, size of the image. It is nature of the image is real, inverted, and of same size. HI equal to HO. HI is equal to HO. The fourth case is that when object is kept between F1 and 2F1. When object is kept between, next case 4, when object is kept between F1 and F2. 2F2. Image is formed beyond 2F1. Image is just see here. There is the convex lens, and F1 is here. 2F2. In between this image is object is kept and image is formed. It passes ray of light here, incident ray of light parallel to the principal axis, and after the refraction it passes through F1. This is F2, this is F1, okay, this is F1. Other side you can take F1 or F2, no matter. So passes through F2. After second ray diagram, incident ray, after the refraction it intersects here and image is formed which is greater than the size of the object. So HI is greater than HO in fourth case. Okay. Now, what is the nature? Nature is similar to that. Real image is formed. Real image, inverted. Other side is formed. Image is on the other side formed. Now magnified image is formed. Okay, this is optical center A. You can take the points D. This is the how the image is formed by convex lens. We observe and learn. Okay, next part we will discuss later. Thank you. Thanks.